Hey girl, hey, it's a girl named Zero. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Nipsey. And in today's video, I have some more stuff to open for you guys today. And you're probably wondering, where did you get it at? Target? Dollar Tree? 99 store? Where did you get it? Well, I got it at Dollar General. I went over there for Tangles, but they didn't have any. They were restocked on Monday. Now I'm gonna open these up for you guys today, and I couldn't handle myself anymore. I was like, Mom, we need to get home. I need to do this video. And she was like, wait until we get home. Now the first thing that I saw was this sticky snake. Now there's all of these collections, the alligator snake, and there was all of these, all of them. The whole collection was over there, but this was the only snake color, and I wanted a snake one, so I got this one, and I don't know how it's going to feel. They also had, on the snake colors, they also had red, purple, pink, blue, and green. But I got the orange one because that was the only color. So let's open this up. See if Dollar General has what it takes to buy fidget toys. It is so sticky. Oh my god. You don't know how. This is so sticky. Super. Oh. It is so sticky. It feels disgusting. It's so sticky. It's literally sticks to the wall. Look. What the heck? And I'm sorry about that drop. But it smells like a stress ball. It's like so sticky. It feels so disgusting. I'm gonna put it into a container. I'm gonna put it into a container. It's so weird. It feels super disgusting and sticky. Ew. Does not feel good. Okay, now I have this slime right here, and it's a putty, actually a fruit putty, 4 years and up. I got it at for $1. Also, the snake too was $1. Pretty impressive. It's super cool. Super cool. I recommend getting the snake one. It is super. So, how do you open this up? Oh, you need to plop that. You know what? We're gonna open this after the last one that we're gonna be opening, because it's pretty hard to open close. So. This is not putty. It's slime. Oh my god, and it's so clear. It just feels so good, and it's kind of sticky, but like not that way, you know. It feels super good. It's not even sticky. It doesn't even stick to your hands. Okay. Now, Super cool. Then we're gonna open this putty. It's an egg putty. Yeah. Now we're not doing it at my table today. We're doing it on my bed. Like, it said it was sticky and stuff. It said it was stretchy. It is the. It feels like paper when you touch it. Why does it feel like paper? It feels like paper. But once you like stretch it, you can feel like it's like, oh, it's like putty or something. Oh my god. It feels like you're just rolling up paper. I get a 10 out of 10 though. I really do like it. Actually, I'll give this a 5.0. Now I have this, and I got this all from heck what? The mushrooms. This is like it's a different kind of slime. Literally, the foam beads are literally still like stuck to my. I'll check this whole thing out and see what happens. This feels wet and different and just not good. Nope, do not get it. It has a mess everywhere. I do not recommend getting it. Guys, I do not recommend getting it. It gives a mess out. Like feels pretty weird. I do not recommend getting that. It's 0 for me. 0. 0 for me. Zero. Like, nope. I do not want that kind of slime. But this, let me go back to this amazing, very sticky, feels kind of like a worm on your hand, but feels super stretchy. Super sticky, but super cool and super. Oh, look at this! Look, it literally got stuck together for how sticky. I'm gonna buy more of these. A lot more. Super cool. 10 out of 10, guys. Okay, guys, that is going to be it. I love this slime. Love the snake. Love the putty. Just don't like the other slime. It's over there in my bed. Super good. If you guys want to get all of these stuff, make sure to go to Dollar General. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell button, turn notifications on, and like this video, and tell me in the comments what you want to do, what kind of videos you want me to do in my channel. Now I am gonna be starting to do ASMR videos, but with like microphone. So I'm gonna tell my dad if I can get me microphone to do some ASMR with my fidgets for you guys, and tell me in the comments if you guys like ASMR. So love you all. Bye.